I'm probably going to be wearing this wig in most of my videos. I got this wig on Ebony Line for $22 and I have to say it's worth every penny. This is probably the best purchase I think I've ever made. I'm just speechless. Like, I love this wig. It looks so real. It feels good. It's 100% synthetic, but you can't even really tell. I actually saw this wig on Twitter. It was a really cute post. The color of the wig was actually TD30, but I didn't want that color, so I got myself a 4. Let me just give you guys a close-up of the curls. This is the Freetress Equal wig. The style is Willow. The color is 4. This wig does not come with any combs. If you do want to put combs in, you're going to have to put them in yourself. But honestly, it's so snug and secure, I don't really think you'd even need them. It's a very comfortable wig. The cap is really nice. It's big head friendly. It does come with adjustable straps, so you can tighten it if you'd like. When I first got this wig, straight out of the package, it was kind of compressed. I took it out, I fluffed it up, and then I got a pick, and I also picked out the hair. I also had to cut it. I cut the bangs a little bit more so they weren't all up in my eyes. I cut around the sides so that you can kind of see my face more. If you don't know how to cut a wig, you can try, just be really careful. If you don't want to mess it up, then just leave it alone. Regardless, the hair is gonna look good on you whether it's cut or not. This hair can be super big or it can be a little bit smaller. I just like big hair, so I kept fluffing it up until it got as big as I wanted it to. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Hopefully it helped. If you do end up buying this wig, please let me know. I will be putting links down below where you can purchase this wig in whatever color you desire. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, wash your hands, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.